Alright, so she was down about 1.5 quarts, so added some fluid, got the fluid level where we want it. Then I noticed she was idling very, very high. I mean, yes, the compressor is on right now, which it should be idling a little higher than normal, but definitely dropped that down, and now she's not slamming in the gear anymore either. So come over later, take her for a spin, let me know how she is. So driving the Eldo. Maybe if this guy wakes up and gets out of my way. Driving the Eldo, and she's sitting in first still. It's really acting like it might have a bad vacuum line down there, because there's a vacuum actuator which tells it to shift, and there's also a power supply down there too, because it's a Turbo 400. So I'm gonna check both those real quick here, pull back into the building, and see what we got. So this is the other side that goes to the modulator, and as you can see, it's connected up here. So our next step is going to be to dig into that governor and see what we got going on. Found our problem. Went down and checked down low on transmission end of the modulator, and was split up at the top of the hose going onto the hard line. So problem solved. We're gonna go drive it and see. All right, we've replaced our vacuum hose on our modulator. Second. We're actually shifting, and shifting smoothly. First, second, third. Yay!